This is Dave the Oven Guy, and I'm well aware that I need a shower. We've been putting together this pollution control oven, and we did a wonderful job, I think. We replaced all the insulation, all down to the rubberoid coating, new gaskets, new door batten, a new lower combustion chamber here, and a new upper combustion chamber up here. We put aluminized steel on the doors, on the walls in the front of the oven over here. We cut a hole for our two thermocouples. One of those thermocouples is the water spray for emergencies, and the other one is water spray for temperature control. Those are the nozzles for water spray and temperature control. Here's our pressure relief door on the top that we put chicken wire to hold down all the insulation in the end. And you know, there's lots of holes in this oven, but we fixed them all up and it looks great and it's gonna work great. Here's our indoor door threshold fancy. So we gotta push that down a little bit. And that's it. We're down in Texas, so we just got this thing done. And we put a long tube in there for the combustion tube in the lower chamber. And that's what we did the last couple of days. And Dave the Oven Guy, 312-550-7083, cdchemicals@att.com, or look up Dave the Oven Guy. And thanks for watching.